go, folks. I actually got some. I'm gonna make this a long video, so reviewing multiple things that I picked up. I found I usually go to a place in Quebec called Value Village, and yeah, I'm not talking channels. I'm looking at this thing, and I usually go there and we buy all kinds of stupid crap for our house, but I was looking in their junk section, the toy section, find old toys from my store to hang up and stuff. Well, for the first time ever in the history of me going to Value Village, I found tools. I was so happy. I found this. This is you know what it is. Look this way. So when World War III hits, and you know we get nuked, have to make stuff. I now have a milling machine. Excellent milling machine. So when the grid goes down, I don't know what makes this milling machine. The grid goes down. This is a clipper made in England. Pretty cool. I think I have one of these, but this looks pretty beefy compared to the other one I have. I'll try it out. Maybe my kids can get their fingers caught in it or something. Actually, I think it's. Hold on, I'll show you. I think it's a little more beefy because your fingers won't get caught in it. So, maybe like this or like this. I don't know. I guess you'd have to go like this. I thought it was cool. Hey, it's old. I also got this. I was like, this is not brand new. This says sanding block number 436. Made in USA, but I don't want to peel the label off because that's a 99-cent Woolworth sticker. Who the hell? I think it's a Woolworth block. Anybody know who makes this? Because I don't want to peel that sticker off. Sanding block. It's got a little, see, it's a kind of a rounded edge, and I could still use this. But look at it. Somebody took care of it. It ended up in, what do you call it? So we got that. I also, what do you call this? A brace bit. Picked up this one, which makes this one. I don't really collect these tools because I don't have use for them. I don't do woodwork. I don't do wood. Plus, I don't even know if these things take regular bits. Do they? Anybody know this crap? Let's see. How's this work? Can you put a regular drill bit in here? Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I put a punch in here to see if it works. Who the hell makes this thing? Oh my God, Becky. There's no name on it anywhere. No markings at all that I can find. Huh. Oh, here we go. Made in Canada. There's one here. That's it. It's just a made in Canada job. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's in nice shape. Somebody must have gave it some love and kept it in their toolbox because it doesn't look like. I think the being in this bag got more damage on anything else. It's just got a little bit of surface rust. I probably should oil it. Maybe give it a good coat of wax or something. I don't have many of these. I might hang this in my store because it looks nice. I don't look bent either. Had to, I'll hang it up. What was the price on that? I think it was like $3 or something. I don't know. What else did I get? I also picked up. This is cool. I wanted one as a kid. Remember these suckers? Hold on. Check this out. Let me look at that. I'll show you one because they're both the same. There's the side of it. Realistic. The back handle's not even bent. It's still flat. It is a realistic 3-channel transceiver. Model TRC27. I want to open it up and see what the hell's inside. It says a battery and charger. So if you'll bear with me, I'm going to open this up and see what the hell's in it. Because I'm just that weird. Okay, let me lower this. Let me see if my light works better. There we go. I'm going to open this up just because I want to see what's in it. I don't really normally do this. Middle of the video. Wait a minute, that's not a damn piece. Where's the other ones? There we go. Klein Tools. I think works great. Alright, let's see. Whee! Get that one open. Ooh, a giant screw in there. It says there's battery. There's a charging thing in here, so come on. As my son says, hum on, hum on. So don't forget, folks, hum on. Know what I would love to get? It's a new antenna for every one of these. I never seen one with a non-busted antenna. I have one. I have a Radio Shack one that's brand new in the box. I paid 50 cents for it. It's at my store on the wall. This damn thing. But all these other ones, every one of the tips of the thing are all broken off. Oh, where's the batteries going? Oh, there's the inside, in case you're all wondering. And the village idiot here didn't realize that. Oh yeah, the battery compartment's right there. Duh! Hello, McFly. Oh, we'll put this back in there. Nice to see what's inside. Come on, get in there. What do I do now? Screw this up? Yeah. Why is that not? I mucked it up. Maybe not. Maybe. Let's see, is that shorter? Let's see, length. Put this one in here. Imagine that. Look at the screws they used back in the day. Let's see. Come on, get in there. Get in there. 500 spins there. Nowadays it'd be locked together. No way to take it apart. Screws would be 4 inches inside this thing. Come on, get in there. Holy bananas. It's a lot of screwing around. So now that I know I'm supposed to just go like this, and here, oh, there we go. Crystal insulation. Remove this lid by pulling the guide towards mark. Picking it up, insert matched pair of crystals into desired sockets. Oh, what is this? Crystal installation. It's this way and oh, look at that. Well, there we go. That's what that is. Anybody got any extra crystals? Those are the crystals in there. Neato. The little crystal installation. I don't know what they use today, but I don't think anybody uses crystals anymore. Well, the only thing people use today is crystal meth. That's about it. Even then, who knows? Okay, honky man. Get this in there. There we go. That's cool. And it still has that. It has the little call button and talk button. ABC on there, see? Volume. Squelch. I should get some batteries to try this out. Like, it doesn't even say. Oh my god, I think this takes what, like 2, 4, 6, maybe 8 AA batteries. Holy crap. Has a charger for it, so I guess you could use. I'm surprised the the cover is still on it. This one's pretty good. Not only look at the battery at this one, check this one, see if any batteries in it. Sometimes they leave crusty batteries in here. Oh no, same thing. Somebody took care of it, took the batteries out. I'll have to get some batteries to try this out. A and B, C channel. Now everything's digital. It's got a little dirt in it. Yeah, test. Oh, it doesn't work, man. So anyway, that was what I picked up there. Part of the other stuff I picked up in this tiny short video, I've been getting bike parts in the mail, and this showed up. Let's turn this off now. Look at my extremely bright head. Honda part. This is the back trunk of a Honda Big Red. This actually showed up with a fender that I got. One good one, another one's kind of sketchy. I think I got smoked on that one, but I have another one for the 86 frame. So, but honestly, I'm gonna have to shine that one up. That one's, the other one looks actually pretty good. I also picked up a wire wheelet. This is Harbor Freight. I'll do a review of all the Harbor Freight shit after. I picked up one of these Harbor Freight. Do a separate video. There's some other crap I bought. Where was it? Oh, these things. Forney, so you can fornicate with paint. Fornicate. Why did I got so many wire wheels? Well, first I ran out of them because, you know, I like, I call this, what do you call it? Shop acupuncture. Because if you don't wear a full face shield, you'll have them stuck all around your, or in your eyeball. And usually they're all over your arms and whatever in front of you. It's like, they're like the little porcupine of auto body and mechanics in most shops that want to remove paint. Yeah. So that was, what else did I get? Something else I picked up. I think that's it really. So that was my tool thing for this week. That's what that thing got in there. So anyway, I will do a review of working on some of those tools. Stay tuned. Keep an eye. I'll have more videos, don't worry, of doing like work and stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.